So I came to Santo and Victory Performance for my knee. I had meniscus and cartilage repair surgery on my right knee. Oh, I mean, it's been great. I learned all kinds of different exercises to do here and to take home, and just was a very creative and sort of unique approach to movement and resistance training that I wouldn't have gotten at a gym. Team was great. Santo's amazing, knows his stuff, has a great facility. Couldn't recommend it higher. I just think you'd want to find a place that you're comfortable, that you're going to get pushed but not beyond the limits of where you need to be. They take a very gradual but accountable approach to getting you better and sending you on your way with a program that you can adapt for the rest of your life, really. So really happy with the outcome.